This Coldwell Banker SSK, Realtors property video is presented by Renee Anderson. This adorable 3-bedroom/2-bath home west/an open floor plan has LVP flooring and tile, no carpet. Large master bedroom, master bath has his/her sinks, jetted tub, separate shower and toilet room. Nice sized laundry room, you can sit on the covered back patio in privacy because there are no neighbors behind you. Upgrades, light fixtures, doorknobs, enclose the privacy fence, gutters, new air conditioner unit, ductwork, insulation and upgraded to the LED HALO Air Purifier, all in June 2020. Seller also added some beautiful landscaping to include bergamot and knockout roses, which he is very proud of, hopes the new owner will appreciate them and take care of them. For more information, review the details below or contact Renee Anderson at 478-390-7690.